Hey guys, how you doing? With Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is March 2024 Patreon Part 6. We'll be looking at D&D STL, Warhammer proxies, and figures. And there are patrons. You may go take a look. Please let me know, or Kickstarters, whatever. I'll take a look, see if we'll be in the next video or not. The links will be down in the below for you guys as well. And subscribe, like, and share, and check out our Patreon Discord down below as well. So we have Artisan Guild, another D&D proxies, D&D figures, but you also use some of these as Warhammer proxies as well if you're interested for it. I think this, we're going to have to look at the video for this because they don't like to do photos. A lot of these patrons don't like to do photos. You got to pay $1 to look at these photos. I'm like, no, 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 no. You show me what you have, I'll see if I want it. That's how it works, you know. So we have, looks to be raid at the Temple of Ifrit. Probably a John. I forgot that the genie humanoids, half genie for it. Let me see. Riftwalker. Okay. So we have our pinups. Can't look too much on that. We have our bugbear. It's like a bugbear cleric. Your kobolds. This is an old school looking kobold, actually. Kobolds used to have dog-like heads in the beginning for it. Then they become reptilian until I think the third edition came out for this as well. This is more in line towards the old school looking kobolds. So yeah, this is actually pretty cool kobolds to print. Then you have your fire elementals, but they're like fire bombs from Final Fantasy. Tell you the truth, your obelisk or a panel. It looks like a demon satyr that they're guarding. I think this is their if from their look of Ifrit has a big ass fucking thing. It's huge. Look at that big thing. Yeah. And your bust as well. We don't care much about the bust. If you do, you guys go check out the link down below for that. Dymphia 3D. I think they're using Orochi as the for this month. So if you're interested on the Orochi, go get it. I guess. But yeah. So yeah, Orochi for the figure for this month for Dymphia 3D. Cast and play. For cast and play, we got. I think we are getting a whole bunch of stuff for this thing, but I'm trying to find. This is their Kickstarter for it. I looked at it. That was crap. Also, this one too. Because I have no real use for it. That's the problem. It's like I don't mind getting it if I have any use later on during the game, but if I don't have a use, then I have no use. So this is Goblin. I think this is also you can use this for your proxies as well. I would say for Warhammer, but yeah, you gotta look it up. I think creativity, what you can and can't use on these things, but you could probably make proxies of these things for your Warhammer game for it. But we have a lot of goblins, goblinoids. I might use this for my campaign because I need goblins after I'm done with the bugbears to paint for it. So this is going to be quite interesting to have. Goblin engineering and stuff like that. So these are different parts you can do it with. Taking a look at it and everything. Yeah, I think this would be a good proxies for it. I don't know. Let's see here. We got pyromancer, detonators, a whole bunch of stuff for the goblins. The goblins and a machine gun. Yeah, I think this is more for proxies. I would say for the goblins. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. Yorkie Yuki Studio. I think it's a figure. Yep, it's a figure one. I don't know what this month is going to be. Shadow. This month's going to be the female Shadow. If you're interested on getting that. And Philo from Shield Hero. I can't get to season 3 for some reason for it. PS Miniatures. This is where I get all of my Elder proxies. I get the male Void Dancers as yeah, male Void Dancers for it. So this is probably the Warp Spider that we got for our thing. So letting you guys know. I already got these. I don't have these though. These are one I'm kind of interested in. But yeah, so we get the Void Dancer that is coming up, male troop and stuff like that. Male set and leader. Okay, because I'm gonna need a leader for my thing. A dungeon pinups. This is a Kickstarter. The Dark Elf pinup. If you're interested in getting that, just go to the link for Dragon pinups and you can go for it. March preview. So we got a big busty pirate. Looks like an elf Amazonian and some kind of mage. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Lost Kingdom. This is like another Warhammer proxy, mostly Age of Sigmar and stuff. I think we are getting more chaos this month. March preview. Yeah, we're getting more Corn Army. Let's get some Corn Riders as well. It's kind of cool to have. I think some of these you can actually put to your Age of Sigmar. I mean, Old World, I would say. I don't know. The dimensions and stuff, you may have to resize a lot of these things to put in your little block. You're going to have to look that up your guys' self. Pegasta Post, this is another figure. I don't know what this month is going to be. This month is Claire Valentine's, Remy, and Adult Dami. For I believe this is that's April sculpture. So I don't know what this. I think Sword Maiden is one for March. The Cynthia from Pokemon, and I think Angel Oman as well. So those are your three for this month. ES Monster, another figure. Another good, actual, very good figures, I would say. So we have, forgot her name, Albedo. If it loads, that's the case. If it loads, Albedo. Sexy Albedo for it, in full armor form. We have Harley Quinn. It looks really good. And we have Poison Ivy for this month. Oh, we got Sarah Victoria from Helsing. It looks pretty good too. That'll be for this month. Beastary Miniature. If you're into Elder Scroll or not Elder Scroll, Elden Ring and Dark Souls, this is a miniature that you want for your board game or for D&D for Dark Ones as well. So we have a lot to go. Lionheart, Knights. This is very dark, kind of creatures and stuff. Ancient Dragon. We had Duchess Starling, the Savage Monarch, and the Withered Lord. So it's actually kind of cool looking. So loyalty rewards for this as well. Titan Forge miniatures. I think this will be the last one. This is another Age of Sigmar Warhammer proxy as well. I think they're doing old worlds. For this one for March, I think we are getting more Tomb Kings. I don't know what this one's. I think that one's just extras for the game, I guess. You got the Sphinx, some mummies. I know they're bringing back mummies in the tombs and the Tomb King ones. So yeah, so this might be interesting for you guys if you guys are. I'm trying to get the actual box set for the Tomb Kings right now, but I'm having a hard time getting it. I need to save up. It's like $300 for me to get the big box. But anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. I hope you guys do enjoy it. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.